The debate over beach driving lands in a Volusia County courtroom. Jury selection is expected to start at the trial of a woman who says an accident along the sand left her with permanent brain damage.
And the case got lots of national attention after the victim had her head crushed by a beach patrol lifeguard's truck in 2011. Now she's suing the county for major damages. Amaka Baka's live outside the courthouse in DeLand, where the trial is expected to start later this morning. Amaka, this happened nearly 3 years ago, but the victim says she's still suffering.
Yeah, Bridget, and that's one reason why this case is going to trial. Erin Joynt says she was left with permanent injuries when she was run over by a beach patrol truck. Now her attorneys say this whole thing could have been prevented, and that's why they want the county to pay up. Erin Joynt never imagined her vacation from Kansas to Daytona Beach would have ended like this, when a beach patrol truck ran over her head and back while she slept on the sand in Daytona Beach shores back in 2011.
I'm not feeling a whole lot on my face itself on that side.
Joynt later told a national TV audience she was left with permanent injuries, including facial paralysis, hearing loss, and the inability to smile. The lifeguard who hit her was making a U-turn at the time, but her attorneys told Local 6 in the months after the crash, he believes it could have been prevented.
The beach tower stands right there. If he had just radioed to the towers, there anybody in my way, this accident would have been entirely avoided.
And the crash did lead to changes. The beach patrol, now called Beach Safety Ocean Rescue, started phasing out the pickup trucks like the one that hit Joynt. Cameras were installed in the trucks that remained to try to increase what the driver can see. But Joynt says that's not enough.
I like to go with the fact that mistakes happen, but in all, we all have to be responsible for our actions, and I feel that there should be some outcome here.
Now, it's not known exactly how much money Joynt is hoping to get from the county. It could be in the hundreds of thousands of dollars, but the county has agreed to pay her husband and their children $150,000 for emotional distress. Her attorney expects that this trial will last about a week. Bridget?
And Amaka, this case, of course, reignited the debate about driving on the beach. Is Ms. Joynt looking for changes to happen there as well?
Yes, she is, Bridget. Back in 2012, Joynt's attorney filed paperwork asking for county vehicles to be kept out of certain areas where people will be sunbathing, but so far there's no indication that that will actually happen.